Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect to a ZIoT camera to your new phone or the Wi-Fi network in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to download and install the ZIoT camera application on your Android or on your iPhone device. So once the installation is completed, you just have to simply open the application and you need to create your account first. Now, when prompted, you need to allow any of the request permissions like Bluetooth, location, or Wi-Fi. So after doing so, you just have to simply plug in the camera and wait for it to start up. Now, most of the ZIoT cameras will display a flashing indicator light, usually red, and when they are ready to pair. If the camera has previously configured, you just have to simply press and hold the reset button on top of it, and you need to press and hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds until it returns to the pairing mode. Now, when the camera is in the pairing mode, you just have to simply open your ZIoT cam application. Then when you are inside, you just have to simply press the plus icon over here. After pressing the plus icon, you just have to select the option of add devices. Then you just have to wait for some time until the app is searching for the camera nearby. So when you are able to find your camera, you just have to tap on that and follow further instructions. Like you need to provide the Wi-Fi name and the password. Then the app is going to generate this type of QR code on your phone's screen. So you need to hold the phone about 6 inches from the camera lens and wait for the camera to scan it. So once it is successful, you will hear a beep or you will receive the voice prompt confirming the connection process has started. So you just have to simply wait for the camera to connect to the Wi-Fi and then appear inside the application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.